Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really spooky and adorable ghost wreath. Everything here is from Dollar Tree. I can't say I used anything that wasn't Dollar Tree, so this ends up being about $10 to make. So if you want to see how I made this, then keep watching. So for this project, you're going to need a hot glue gun, a rotary cutter, or a pair of scissors. The rotary cutter just makes my life a heck of a lot easier cutting deco mesh. You're going to need tinsel stems, this multicolored, let's see if you can see it better on this one, yep, multicolored mesh from Dollar Tree. You'll need 2 rolls of that, a roll of black and a roll of orange. You'll also need this wood cutout from Dollar Tree. I just went ahead and painted this how I wanted to paint it. You can paint it however, you can leave it plain of just the wood. There it is. You'll also need, they sell a package of little ghosts that are also wood. You'll need a package of those. I spray painted mine white and they're drying out in the garage right now. So you'll need one of those. You'll need a 14-inch wire wreath frame. You'll need this ribbon from Dollar Tree and this black sparkly ribbon from Dollar Tree. So that's literally it for what we're gonna need. So let's get started.
I'll apologize ahead of time because my neighbor always picks the best time to start weed whacking his yard. But we're gonna place the ghost on one side of the form instead of sitting in the middle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover up these bars right here. So the place where his mouth and his eyes are open, you won't just see wreath frame. So all I'm gonna do is I've just secured it with a pipe cleaner, nothing fancy, and I'm just going around. And that's pretty much it. That's all we want to do. So we're gonna snip this off and secure it up here with a pipe cleaner. So all I did was put some glue on the back of the ghost and glue him right down to the side of this. I did get a little glue splatter on that black part, but we'll fix that up later.
All the mesh is cut and I have a nice big mess on the table here. So what you're gonna need are 32 pieces cut just long enough to curl them of the multicolored mesh. You're gonna need 8 12-inch pieces of that as well. You're gonna need 8 12-inch pieces of the orange, and you'll need 16 pieces of the black, just long enough to curl. You'll also need 8 pieces of the black ribbon and 8 pieces of the multicolored ribbon. I've gone ahead and dovetailed out the multicolored ribbon. So we're gonna do curls and ruffles. So we'll do the curl first. So I'm gonna take one of the multicolored, one of the black over that, and then I'm gonna take another multicolored and do it just like that. Take a pipe cleaner, go over the top of it, bring it up, make them even, and twirl. There's one curl bundle. You're gonna need 16 of these. The next one is a ruffle. So you're gonna take the multicolored one, you're gonna lay it straight and just walk your fingers up it. So there's a ruffle. On top of that ruffle, you're gonna take a piece of the black ribbon and you're gonna take a piece of the polka dot ribbon. Just like that. Take a pipe cleaner and go over it. Twirl it around the back. And then you're gonna take a piece of the orange mesh ruffle that up, and that's gonna go across the back of that bundle. And here is our other style bundle. So you're gonna need 8 of these. All right, all my bundles are made, so I'm gonna start working around the wreath form. I'm gonna start at this section right here. And as usual, we're gonna work on these 2 center bars. So I'm gonna start with a plain curl bundle. And all I can say is be careful when you're putting this wreath form together with this ghost on here, because he broke before I even got him home. I did some wood glue surgery and did him up real good so he won't break again, but just be vigilant of the fact that they do break very easily. So all we're gonna do is make a pattern. So one of the plain curls, and then one of the bow ruffles, and you're gonna want 2 of the bow ruffles per section. So this is what we have so far. I'm gonna go around and do this entire thing just following my pattern. All right, so it's completely full, and this is what it's looking like right now, but I kind of wanna fill behind his head a little bit. So all I'm gonna do is take what's left over of that ribbon that we were using, which is really not much, and I'm gonna fold it in half for each one and cut the remaining into 2 equal pieces for each color, and then we're gonna make little bouquets. We've used up all of this, so all I did was cut the 2 pieces into equal size pieces. I dovetailed out the polka dot one, and all we're gonna do is do exactly what we did on top of the ruffle bunches. We're just gonna do this. Just layer them on top of each other. And pipe cleaner over it. Boom, we have a little bouquet we're gonna stuff behind his head. So these are those little ghosts that I was talking about. These are really cute. This guy's kind of scary, but I think that these are really cute to go on this. So I'm just gonna place them in little spots all around the wreath, just with a hot glue gun. You can totally polka dot these too to match it, but I like the contrast of just the little white ghost. All right, so here he is. I love this wreath. I think it is adorable and spooky all at the same time. I added a set of Dollar Tree lights to this. Let's zoom in here. And I strung them into his eyes so he looks extra spooky, and I just think it's so adorable. He's spooky, and then he's got all his little ghosts around that are even afraid of him. I just think that this is so cute. This has got to be one of my favorites that I've ever made. And putting the lights on is super simple. I showed you how to do it in my last tutorial. You just hot glue it to the back of the wreath and then string it through and secure the lights with the back ends of the tinsel stems that are on the back of the wreath. So it's really simple and easy. So I hope you give this a try.